Hello everyone, so it's a new day and it's a new vlog. So today we are in Ooty. We are going to be here for next 4 days. We got a long weekend of Easter, Good Friday, Saturday and Easter Sunday. So we have come over here a day prior. So this is our room. It's pretty straightforward. Bed, there's TV, one small sit out area, then you have a decent view of some terraces and something and then there's the washroom. This is how it looks. So we are here on a Thursday and it's a working day for me. And I'll be working through the day, trying work from home. Today I'll be doing work from the hills. So the entire day I'll be working, and maybe in the afternoon or in the evening, if I get some time, some break, we'll definitely venture out, probably explore some cafe. But I'm hoping कि कल कुछ काम ना रहे एंड वी आर एबल टू एक्सप्लोर ऊटी प्रॉपर्ली. कल हम जा रहे हैं कुनूर. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें करने वाले, होपिंग कि एकदम स्मूथ और सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस रहे. वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर टुमारो. बस भगवान का कुछ काम मत देना कल, बस काम यानी घूमने के काम के अलावा और कुछ ऑफिस का काम मत देना. आज का दिन सॉरी काफ़ी बोरिंग था, बट टुमारो विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई मेकिंग इट interesting. Good morning and we are all set for this new day in Ooty. आज हम cover करेंगे Ooty and Kunur, and most importantly we both are excited about our toy train ride. One interesting thing what we realized yesterday after checking in, but yesterday ने ऐसे नहीं तुरंत check in करके हमको समझाई, ऐसे नहीं हुआ. As soon as we entered, थोड़ा चिल किया around 2.5 hours I was working and later we realized कि बस इस रूम में ना ही फैन है ना एसी है, and actually फैन भी नहीं है, एसी भी नहीं है. Okay, and this is for the first time we are staying in a hotel जहाँ पे फैन और एसी नहीं है. Then we checked with the hotel guys कि बस यहाँ पे फैन एसी नहीं है. So they were like नहीं sir, it's always cool over here. So they never thought it is required. So इट्स फनी, बट कल रात को जब हम लोग सो रहे थे थोड़ी सी गर्मी हुई हमें, बिकॉज वी हैड अ ब्लैंकेट्स ऑन एंड लेटर थोड़ा ब्लैंकेट निकाल के जब सोए देन वी वर कंफर्टेबल. बट रियली सरप्राइजिंग, यानी एक फ़ैन तो हो ही सकता है, कितनी भी ठंडी जगह हो फैन तो हो ही सकता है. बट नेवरदलेस नाउ let's go and explore Ooty and Kunur. Already on the road and the road is super smooth. The drive is super smooth. It's pleasant. The weather is also cool. मज़ा आ रहा है. And we are passing some tea estates on the way, so that's also just adding to the entire experience. Stay tuned. We are first going to Dodda Betta Peak and I'll see you directly over there. So now we are here at Dodda Betta Peak. It is, if I'm not wrong, it is Tamil Nadu's highest peak. And probably the highest in southern India, around 2,650 plus something above sea level. And it is a very simple viewpoint, but really pretty. And it is that you have to pay around 200 rupees for the parking, 20 rupees for the entry, and if you need some camera, you have to pay a normal charge for that as well. So that's there. It's very pretty scenic view. Quite crowded, probably because it's Good Friday and everyone's on leave. So छुट्टी के वजह से probably there's a lot of crowd over here, but pretty views. So here you can see quite funny scenes, people clicking pictures and all. Some refreshment area also you have over here, and then there are multiple pathways like this which kind of goes down. Right now this one's closed, but then there was over there. So
once you go on those pathways, there's like, you know, small strolling area where you can, you know, go and get your pictures clicked. So now we are now heading back. I am not sure where we are going. I'll just go to our driver and check where we are going next. So I'll see you over there. So now we have reached Chocolate Factory, and from here inside only there is a tea factory. The entry fee is rupees 60 for both of us. Yes, and madam always ensures that, you know, everyone takes their entry ticket and only gets, and yes, you get these tags as well. So come, let's go through this chocolate factory and tea factory. So now we have Mr. Kishore with us over here from the chocolate factory, and he'll be showing us something. I don't know exactly. Let him only take over.
This is cocoa fruit. It's grown in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra and Karnataka in 4 states. When you peel out the fruit, you can see some seeds and little bit of pulp is there, exactly like custard apple. Okay, and the pulp is using to make a cocoa butter. This is the cocoa butter. You know white chocolate? Yeah. The white chocolate is made from this butter. Okay, and I told you little bit seed is there inside. This is the seeds. It's called cocoa beans. Okay, high temperature. After roasting, the beans going for weighing machine here. Actually, it's like a coffee machine. Okay, here the beans separated two parts: outer layer and inner part. Outer layer is understood, right? Outer shell, outer cover. Outer shell is full of wastage, is thrown out. Only inner part is used to be used. Actually, the inner part is called cocoa nibs. In APS, cocoa nibs. It's eatable. If you like, you can taste it.
So let's try some cocoa nibs.
Okay.
सही है.
It's good.
Yeah.
Hereafter, the cocoa nibs will getting grinded here.
Arvind was, you know,
Kishore.
Sorry, Kishore. Yeah. So Kishore was, you know, quite kind enough to tell us and take us through how chocolate is made over here. And yes, in that entry fee you also get some chocolates to sample, freshly made chocolates. Thank you. So we got some freshly made chocolates. अभी थोड़ा सा ट्राई भी कर लेते हैं. बता, ये है हमारा मिल्की बार. वाइट चॉकलेट बेसिकली अच्छा है. अब ये ट्राई करते हैं. ये भी अच्छा ही है. Now, after chocolate factory, we are here at the tea factory, and the entry fee is, I guess, no, we have a separate entry fee over here. Yeah. So now we are at the tea factory. Again, entry fee is very nominal, 10 rupees per person. Some interesting machinery. Back when we had went to Wayanad, tea factory was closed, so I am kind of fascinated to see ये बनता कैसे है, चाय बनती कैसे है. थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर से पता है, बट अभी फिर से थोड़ा रिविजन हो जाएगा. With your ticket, you also have a taster of tea also. What I am trying is white tea. Okay, गरम पानी लग रहा है. Now I am trying oolong tea. Hot water with some flavor. Okay. And like all teas have their own benefits. बहुत ज़्यादा in depth है. इसके पहले एक वीडियो भी था जहाँ पे they just play one video जहाँ पे आप देख लो ऐसे बनता है टी. It's quite in depth. Unless and until you actually work at a tea factory, ठीक से पता नहीं चलेगा. But yes, it's a decent place. 10 rupees entry. उसमें आपको चाय भी पीने मिल जाती है थोड़ी बहुत. And I'll try to give you some closer look of, you know, some humongous machines जिससे टी बनती है यहाँ पे. Okay. So after tea factory, chocolate factory, now we are going to boat house. It is also called Ooty Lake. We were planning to go to Botanical Gardens, but maybe we'll go there tomorrow morning because it's humongous and will require at least 2 घंटे तो लग जाएंगे पूरा घूमने के लिए. So we thought चलो पहले let's finish Ooty Lake boat house and then let's head to our toy train. I'm excited about toy train. बहुत ज़्यादा. So now we are here at Ooty Lake and look at these horses. Like, look at this guy. It's like huge. बहुत time के बाद मैंने इतने तगड़े घोड़े देखे. Like after a long time. So in Ooty you also get some fresh vegetables like carrot. ये क्या है मैम? Red one? Muli. Okay, and the red guys are muli. Okay, chalo now let's enter. Sharan is taking pictures over there. So we just took our entry tickets. Entry tickets are separate. That is 15 rupees per head. And for boating you have to take separate tickets. So we'll just check that out. क्या rates है boating का. So this place is like really crowded. So now we are here at the Ooty Lake. It is also called houseboat, but अभी houseboat है क्या पता नहीं, दिखा तो नहीं. But that area is probably motorboat. This is all rowboats, and over here you have pedal boats. All 3 boats have separate rates. We may not do any of these because हमें जाना है toy train. So that's the play area. Then garden, sitting area, chill maro. Behind me you can see the rush for speedboat, motorboat, 15-seater, 8-seater. बहुत गर्दी है जैसे. अब हम खाएंगे गोला. फ्लेवर काला खट्टा and orange. Sharanya is having sugarcane juice. How's it? ठीक. अब मैं खाऊंगा गोला. After long time गोला खा रहा हूँ, मजा आ रहा है. ऊटी लेक आओगे तो definitely have गोला. Nothing special but try करना.